Hi you guys, welcome to my weekly Walmart grocery haul. So I just did a pickup from Walmart and I got all of our food for the week. If you've been around my channel, you know I love to budget my groceries. I like to keep it at around $200 every week, but I went over budget this week because I'm gonna be making a ton of stuff, cooking a lot this week, and I got some things that we just needed to stock up on. So I went over budget, $238, but that's okay because it's stuff we really needed, and I'm gonna be making a ton of food this week. So I'm gonna share with you our meal plan. I have it all written down. I will share with you all the groceries that I got. And this is everything that we're having for the week. We are a family of 4. So my husband and 2 boys. My boys are 5 and 6 years old, so they love snacks. They are in a snack phase. Or we could call it a snack era if you're into Taylor Swift, because that is like all over everywhere right now, Taylor Swift. So my boys are in the snack era. So anyhow, I'm gonna show you all of our groceries. If you're new to my channel, make sure you click subscribe. I share my grocery hauls every week with you and our meal plan. So click subscribe if you're new. All right, let me show you everything I got. All right, here are all of the groceries. So this was a really big haul, because like I said, totally had to stock up on some things. But I will start on this side. I got 2 boxes of Cheerios because there's a clippable coupon on my app for Walmart. So if you get 2 boxes, you get $1 off. And we go through a lot of Cheerios. So I thought I might as well just get a second box to have it on hand and save $1 in the long run. So 2 boxes, 2 big boxes of Cheerios. Here is all of our meats over here. We're going to have salmon one night. I have a 3-pound package of ground turkey. And I have our chicken breasts. We love boneless, skinless chicken breasts. So some of our meats for the week. It's kind of a little bit of a mess over here, but this is all of our produce. I got some bananas under here, a bunch of apples. We love red gala apples. So they're not like the red apples, but gala apples. I have a yellow bell pepper, onion. And these are the avocados down here, which have been so delicious lately. Here's another bell pepper, some tomatoes, tons of produce, another onion. I have a jicama up here. I'm going to be doing a sheet pan meal with sausage and peppers, and I'm going to put the jicama with that, which jicama is so good if you've ever had it. So it is like a low carb potato substitute almost. I make French fries out of these, and they turn out really, really good and super duper low carb. So I love jicama. Up here is a spice cake mix. I get a lot of the Great Value brands. They're way, way cheaper than the regular name brands, but I'm going to do a pumpkin spice dump cake in the crock pot. So check back. I'm going to do that probably towards the end of this week or next week, but I'm very, very excited. So I also have oatmeal. Zachary's really into oatmeal, so I get this big pack to have a whole lot on hand. Big thing of goldfish. Like I said, my kids are really into snacks. And I try and get healthy stuff as much as I can. So I've got a lot of fruits up here too. So try and keep it healthy. So here are the fruits. Some cherry tomatoes. I've got strawberries, blueberries for the week. Frozen strawberries for smoothies. My husband does a smoothie every day. So frozen strawberries. This Better Than Bouillon. It's like a chicken broth base. So you just mix it with water, and I use this a lot for soups and lots of different cooking. So it makes a whole bunch of different servings. So 38 servings in this. So it's really great. I love it. I got some Great Northern beans. I'm going to be doing a white chicken chili in my crock pot this week. Super good. I got tomato paste, corn. I got some diced jalapenos. These are going to be, I got 2 of them. They're going to be for a dip that I'm making. Another bell pepper over here. Lettuce. I have salads all the time, just about every week. So my lettuce. These Cantina style tortilla chips are the best tortilla chips in the universe. They are thin and crispy, just like chips from like a Mexican restaurant. So really, really good. Love those chips. Our favorite snack in our family is pistachios. So a big bag of pistachios. So these are like Fritos corn chips. And so I needed Fritos for a dip that I'm taking to a party. And the bag was $5. And then the Great Value bag was $1.98. I could not believe. So got these, saved $3, which is wonderful. So I'm sure they taste just fine. So we will see. I'm going to take those with a dip that I'm making for a function. I got broccoli. We get broccoli just about every week. I have heavy whipping cream for my white chicken chili. Vanilla ice cream. It's going to be for that pumpkin spice dump cake. And a side of vanilla ice cream is so, so perfect with it. Riced cauliflower. I love riced cauliflower, and I wanted some the other day, and we were out in the freezer, so I had to get some. Love it. My kids have been eating a ton of sausage lately. We love this Vermont maple one. So there it says there's about 50 links in here. So this is a pretty big bag, but my kids have been eating a lot of it lately. So big bag of that. I got 2 packs of sandwich thins. My husband makes sandwiches on these that he takes to work. I got some chili seasoning mix. Like I said, I'm going to be doing a white chicken chili, and I got some taco seasoning mix also. We needed some butter, so I got some butter. Cottage cheese is like one of my favorite snacks ever. Under back here is vanilla Greek yogurt. 2 things of the mini tortilla bowls. One of my kids loves these on taco nights, which we have just about every week. And they had a clippable coupon on these also. So if you buy 2, then you save 50 cents. So we eat them a lot. So definitely might as well just get 2, save 50 cents. So I got that. And then this sugar-free vanilla pudding. It's going to be in the dump cake. Yogurt tubes. My kids love these. We freeze them. And it's their dessert sometimes if they eat a good dinner. So I figure it's better than any kind of other junk food for dessert. Gallon of milk. We've been going through a ton of milk lately. I got a bunch of cheese this week. So like I said, I'm making a lot of different recipes. So I need a lot of different kinds of cheese. So got a big bag of cheddar. Got a Fiesta blend. Parmesan I needed for one of the dips I'm making. And some sliced cheddar for sandwiches, and we do burgers a lot too, so some sliced cheese. Some ranch dressing, almond milk, our favorite collagen that my husband and I both use this and love it. 2 packs of eggs. So this is the kind of bread that Benjamin likes for his peanut butter sandwiches. He does peanut butter sandwiches. He doesn't like jelly with it, but it's honey wheat, and it is really, really soft, and this is his favorite. So that's what I get him. This, I am going to try it out. Keto-friendly sandwich bread. It looks really good, but I want to do, I want 30 calories per slice. That's really awesome. And let's see, how many carbs? 1 carb per slice, I think. So I'm going to make a keto French toast casserole with the keto bread. So I have these 0 net carb tortillas. These are my favorite. I get them all the time. If you've been around my channel, I get these like almost every week. And then these are my other low carb tortillas that I love for wraps. 5 carbs for this whole, it's a big like burrito size tortilla. So these are the groceries, and I will get my meal plan all written out and share that with you. All right, so here's the meal plan for the week, and this is what we're gonna have. So I hope you enjoyed this grocery haul. I hope that you have a really great day, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye-bye.